This is Dave with Scale and Control. In front of us we have our WLS432 weigh on the move loader scale. This is designed for all makes and models of articulating wheel loaders. The accuracy on this scale is 99% or greater. So as an example, if I had a wheel loader that had a 25,000 pound static tip load capacity, with a 1% error, that would give me a 250 pound bucket error. We've got customers that we often see 30, 40, 50 pound errors on that capacity of machine or greater. On the scale, you'll see we have a gear that is for our setup. This material button is for up to 10 different materials that can be set up to be printed on the ticket. I have a printer capability. I have up to 5 different buckets that can be set up, or attachments. We have 3 preset buckets, a set of forks, and a bale spear. Once you've done your calibration, if you're in a multi-attachment environment, you can simply just toggle. I've got a bucket count of 6. I've got a weight of 826 pounds. In the bucket, I've got 3,848 pounds and my accumulated. The scale can be set up to read in pounds, tons, kilograms, or metric tons. You'll notice that we have a 0 button and a C button. The 0 will zero out the weight in the bucket, and the C will clear out my accumulated, and I can start with a fresh load. If I hit the gear, we do have a built-in data logger that uses a USB cable that's supplied. I put a USB stick into the cable. I've got my USB stick button, so if I press that button, it will download the USB file to the USB stick. You'll notice my message says failed to copy. I do not have a USB stick installed. It's an easy scale to use. Get back to my main menu, I just hit escape a couple times. This has a 0.1% failure rate. It's got a 4-hour install time. It is a free shipping within the United States, 3-year warranty. You can learn more about it at scaleandcontrol.com. Sales at Scale and Control is our email, and toll free is 888-239-0552. Sells for $3,488. It's one heck of a value. Look forward to having you as a customer.